Hey shoe lovers, welcome back to our channel Couture Crave. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for your front row pass to all things fabulous. Today we are diving into the world of pumps, your go-to for comfort, lightweight elegance and the extra soft touch. Our collection has it all, from casual kicks to semi-casual tuners, perfect for everyday wardrobe or that upcoming party. We have created a range that is not just stylish but also easy on your feet. Whether it is a chic pair of heels for a night out or comfy, trendy sneakers for your casual outings, we have got you covered. In this video, we are showcasing a variety of designs and colors to suit every taste. Stick around till the end because trust me, you don't want to miss out on these tuning options. Sharing is caring. So, feel free to share this video with your friends and family so they can stay in the loop on the latest and most comfortable footwear trends. And of course, we want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let us know which pair stole your heart from this collection. Get ready to step into style with Couture Crave. Let's find that perfect pair together. If you like this video, give it thumbs up. And don't forget to hit subscribe button for our latest and trendy collections. Thanks for watching my video.